What if one skill could completely change your financial future? In 2026, people aren't getting rich from jobs. They're getting rich from high-income online skills. In this video, I'll show you 7 online skills that can make you rich, even if you're starting from zero. Welcome to Passive Profit Lab, where we explore smart ways to make money online and build passive income streams. If you want to learn skills that actually pay, make sure to subscribe. Now let's get into the first skill. 1. Copywriting. Copywriting is the skill of writing content that sells. This includes ads, sales pages, and emails. Businesses pay a lot for good copy because it directly increases their sales. 2. Video editing. Video content is growing rapidly. Creators and businesses need editors for YouTube videos, social media content, and ads. Even basic editing skills can help you start earning. 3. Graphic design. Graphic design includes logos, thumbnails, and social media posts. Every business needs visuals, which makes this skill always in demand. 4. AI tools and automation. Learning how to use AI tools is one of the most powerful skills today. You can automate tasks, create content, and offer AI-based services. This skill is growing very fast in 2026. 5. Digital marketing. Digital marketing includes running ads, SEO, and social media growth. Businesses are always looking for people who can bring them customers. 6. Web development. Web development is building websites. Even simple websites are in demand for businesses and personal brands. It's a high-income skill with long-term opportunities. 7. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is promoting products and earning commissions. If you learn how to drive traffic and convert it into sales, this can become a strong income stream. You don't need to learn everything. Start with one skill. Pick one skill. Practice daily. Build a portfolio. Start offering services. This is how income starts growing. Skills are the real assets in today's world. The right skill can open unlimited earning opportunities. Start learning today, stay consistent, and results will follow. Subscribe to Passive Profit Lab for more videos about online income, side hustles, and passive income. And tell me in the comments, which skill are you going to learn first?